if you see the Mumbai Indian history, they always search for talent and then they grow that talent.
10.9 million. While we do this podcast, we've already achieved 10.9 million views.
I proudly say that we are kings of customization.
There is no company other than us who has their own manufacturing unit.
So, Anandji, are you listening?
Hello, everyone. This is the day that we've all been waiting for. Today is going to be a special day where we are going to talk about the collaboration between tech champion Rappo and the 5-time season champions of IPL, none other than Mumbai Indians. This podcast is brought to you by Tech Infinity, and we are so proud to have two esteemed guests from Rappo on the stage today. So, let me welcome you to this very special episode where we're going to unveil the curtains and understand the entire game of what goes behind when a team of IPL gets collaborated with a brand that's into tech and much more. Let me call upon the stage the first guest for the evening. This guy is none other than the man himself, the person who is the founding member of Rappo India. Welcome on the stage, Mukesh ji. Pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
And at the same point of time, the young mind behind the digital transformation of Rappo India, Mr. Siddesh. Siddesh, pleasure having you here as well.
Thank you for having me.
We will understand things in detail and hopefully we'll get to know more secrets of what goes behind the screen when we talk about IPL collaborations.
Yes, we are ready to unveil the secrets. Go ahead.
Lovely. So, before we jump onto that, I wanted to know, पहला thought, रैपो इंडिया जब चालू किया तो आपका जर्नी स्टार्टिंग से लेके अब तक कैसा रहा है?
In 2013, that time we thought of to launch this particular brand. And then somebody from China, the factory, they approached me, and then I visited the factory, and then I saw the factory. That factory amazed me because the factory was so full of robotic factory. It's a world class factory. So then that day only I decided let's launch this product in India, and then we have appointed distributor. That time there was a lot of because the name itself Rapu, a lot of guys, somebody was pronouncing Repu, somebody pronouncing Bapu, something like this. So that, but one thing is clear: whoever has seen this product, everybody was saying very like this is the product which is having a lot of future in. So that confidence gives us a lot of energy inside, and then we started in 2013.
Lovely. So, it's been a decade and more. And Siddesh, how has been your experience joining hands with Rappo India and growing it from there digitally?
So, if you talk about me, I'm a 3-year-old baby at Trapo at the moment. So, basically, I was into F&B background.
Oh.
Like, yeah. So, restaurant launching, setting up, marketing, PR for restaurants in the F&B segment out there. So, that's when I first met Mr. Mukesh. I was a professional gamer, basically. So, I used to play for U Mumbai Esports and everything. So, we had a brief conversation, and then even he was looking for something for the gaming segment and someone who would, elevate the gaming segment. So that's how we actually got in touch. And I initially joined Rappo as a marketing manager for gaming. And then that's how it's been transformed. And now, again, coming back to square one, it's like handling, heading marketing, like the rest of the part, and also looking after the e-commerce business.
वो तो हमें पता है, बहुत कुछ कर लेते हो आप. 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में बहुत छक्के मारे तुमने.
No, that's again. Let me add to him. Like like it's a very interesting moment when I met because we were arranging some QBR, that's called quarterly business review meet for our all the sales guys, and wherever we were doing this one, this Siddesh, this guy was handling their food and
Oh.
thing.
Yeah,
So I met him, and then he was very keen. He was started talking me about the product and all these things. Then I also checked what exactly you are doing and what is your background. And he explained me what he has a like complete background of gaming, and he used to a gamer. And we also, in my mind, we also thinking because we have a lot of good products in gaming for the gaming online gaming things, esports things. So we thought, let's. Then I told him, come and let's have a discussion on this, because I am also looking for a guy who can understand gaming, because uh, for this kind of product, you also need some understanding which product is good, which product is not good, which technology is winning, which not. So that's why I asked him, come up, then, and then he joined us.
वो कहते हैं ना कि you meet right people at the right time.
Uh-huh.
You are meant to meet those people.
Exactly.
It was like that, and we were also short on staff that day. So I had to step in to make all arrangements and everything, and that's when we actually had the conversation. I'm like, मैं देख रहा था कि यार in the meeting they are having tech products and okay there's gaming also. I mean, never heard of this brand before. That was the first time that I heard. So I was also very intrigued to know कि भाई है क्या ये brand में. So that's how it actually began, and then it's very interesting. Like the 3 years that I've been here, I've seen. It's been a roller coaster.
That's how, life is full of roller coasters. And it's always said that it's easy to connect the dots looking behind. Now, getting Rappo to India, what are the next big things that you're thinking? One is already what we can see. एक तो झंडा गाड़ दिया है, और क्या सोच रहे हो?
So the main thing is to make our brand as a Rapu little known, or rather more known into the customer mind, and also give them the credibility, like as Mumbai Indian is have a lot of credibility in terms of in IPL, because they are the most there's one of the team, only two team have won 5 IPL championship. So since they are they are the team which is mastering in the cricket, which are mastering in the in IPL. Similarly, we as a company, we are mastering in our this kind of product. So we have own manufacturing, and let me guarantee you, let me tell you here, there is no company other than us who has their own manufacturing unit. What we have.
करेक्ट। ये तो एक बात बताइए मुझे, मैंने सुना था रैपो बहुत टाइम पहले एक लार्जेस्ट OEM था, जहाँ पे आप बहुत सारी लीडिंग कंपनीज को ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स देते थे।
हम करते थे 2012 में, जब तक हमने अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च नहीं किया था, 2010 में रादर, उससे पहले we used to manufacture for others also. Lot of big brand. We will not able to name the brand here actually. But हम काफ़ी लोगों के लिए करते थे, वर्ल्ड वाइड लोगों के लिए करते थे। जब हमने 2010 में लॉन्च करा इस पर्टिकुलर रापू ब्रांड को, तब से हमने we have stopped all the manufacturing, because our whole focus is to grow and to our brand and to manufacture for our brand.
Correct. But that is the legacy that you guys get into the products. So the product quality and everything has been top notch ever since.
Exactly.
I'll just come to this. Basically, when you talk about product quality, right? Like Mukesh initially told that it was he was amazed because of the factory that is 100% automated. I'll tell you, our return ratio, our service ratio is below 1%.
Oh,
So हमारा ऐसे होता है कि जब हमारा प्रोडक्ट बिकता है मार्केट में, तो the customer retention rate is low, not because कि प्रोडक्ट खराब होता ही नहीं हमारा.
correct.
So I have met a person, he was from Europe, he was in Finland, so there was this event that was happening. He comes to our stall, okay, we had a stall, we had a nice setup, then he comes to us with a mouse and he tells us, hey, this is the same brand that I'm using. I just randomly asked him, it's been how many years that you have been using?
Correct.
Say, I'm using this mouse for 6 years. Imagine he's using that mouse for 6 years. He's been carrying that along with him because, he's a camera guy.
Correct.
He has to copy his files. He needs a wireless mouse. So that's the quality that we are talking here.
Absolutely.
When it comes to Rappo, if I have to define Rappo in 3 words, it's premium quality, it's affordable, and it's ergonomic. It's complete comfort. Like any guy who's using our products for a long time, he wouldn't want to switch to another brand. Rather, he would be coming back to us.
So, who was the person who chose this collaboration? किसका idea था ये?
Okay, so exactly this idea is from Siddesh itself. So I was talking about bringing new generation, because new generation brings a lot of new ideas.
So basically, idea तो कहाँ से आया is like the question. तो I would say, see, as Mukesh sir said initially, where we were looking to connect the brand with as much as people that was possible, right?
Correct.
And India is a cricket nation, boss. People love cricket. People follow cricket. And then who else can be better than Mumbai Indians, right?
Absolutely.
Correct. So that was the actual idea. Ki, since Mumbai Indians have that fan base, they have that, the sense of loyalty amongst their followers towards the brand and the players that are associated with the franchise, since they have a very big legacy. I don't know anybody in the company, but me, myself, in Rappo, I proudly say that we are kings of customization. बॉस जो कस्टमाइजेशन हम करा के देंगे वो कस्टमाइजेशन इंडिया में और कोई करा के दे नहीं सकता.
That's a big
Okay.
statement.
Yes. So with the quality of customization that we are providing, right, only we could make something like this possible
Absolutely.
with a premium quality product out there for the consumer to, give it a go. So that was the idea, that's how Mukesh sir actually made it work for us. Because if it wouldn't have been his call to give a final go for this wouldn't have happened. Like we wouldn't have been here having this conversation in the first place.
And one more thing, like if you see the Mumbai Indian history, they always search for talent, and then they grow that talent. Like if you see Surya Kumar Yadav, Bumrah, all these that the Mumbai Indian की मतलब laboratory से आए हुए लोग हैं, समझे? So similarly in our case also, like we also have a good product, good quality product. Just we have to grow them, help them to grow in terms in consumer and customer mind, and then it's like as Mumbai is a champion, we will also be a champion.
एक सवाल सिद्धेश, जब तुम ये लेके गए अंदर मीटिंग रूम के अंदर के रैपो का कोलैबोरेशन होगा मुंबई इंडियंस के साथ, वाज एवरीवन इन सिंक कि ये करना ही है, या थोड़े लोग थे जो ये नहीं हो सकता, ये क्यों करना है, गेमिंग किया है तो गेमिंग के कोलैबोरेशंस करते हैं, क्रिकेट ही क्यों, ऐसा कोई सवाल आया था?
Obviously, it's a unanimous decision that needs to be taken at the end of the day. But the thing is, when it came to this, right, there was no negative feedback from anyone. Because this is something that, we actually initiated for a really first time. Like this is something that this is like a big call for us also that we are doing.
Correct.
This year. In India specific. Right?
Absolute.
So our agenda for this year is to get this product to more and more people out there, and to actually the cricketing fans that are, actual loyal followers of Mumbai Indians and the people who are in the cricketing nation. यहाँ के लोगों के लिए ही हमने ये एक्चुअली किया है.
सो एक सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कि इतना बड़ा कोलैबोरेशन हुआ तो हाउ डू यू मेजर द ROI ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन?
So yes, any advertising or any marketing awareness activity, that will be very difficult to measure in terms of the profitability. But yes, how, like, since it's the age of digital one, we can easily see how many eyeballs catch this particular collaboration, how many have gone through our pages. So all these things will give us a little brief or little idea that that if we have spent this much or we have done this much of this collaboration, how much guys has visited us and how much guys has seen us. So because the basic funda or basic reason for this collaboration is to make ourselves aware in customer mind.
Absolutely. इस बात पे एक नंबर बोलना चाहूंगा, 10.9 million. While we do this podcast, we've already achieved 10.9 million views on our 3D video that went in collaboration with Mumbai Indians. So really amazing.
Great.
That's an achievement. Crossing 1 crore visitors, like, users watching this, absolutely insane.
Great.
So that's what it is, right? These are the same users, these are the cricketing fans out there who are interested in, having something like this for.
Correct.
So that's where this overall these views and everything also we have achieved, I think, because of this reason only.
Absolutely. You spoke about gifting and B2B merchandising and stuff. So ये जो customization है, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा हमें बताइए.
हाँ, ओके. जैसे आपको सिद्धेश ने बताया, लाइक we as a company do one of the best customization across the competition. What is the best customization means? as of now, customization for B2B, for gifting, for corporate is just putting his name or putting the company name somewhere or in one of the keys. Okay. But what we feel that is not customization. That's just adding one name and there else. That's a branding. Sir. Customization means you bring their color, their vibrancy, their logo, everything on the keyboard mouse. Because now when you are giving some gift to your client or your customer, and then your all the logo and everything is there, your color is there, that give lot of good impression in the mind of the customer. Apart from this, not only color and everything, color is one, and logo and everything is one, but another one is like, we as a company, we can give a short keys or a hot keys kind of thing, where you can press one button and open your website, like or anything, whatever page you want to open. Like, just see on hotel restaurant company or hotel company, they they put their logo on hotkeys. And if I as a customer wants to go and reserve a room from their hotel, I just click one button and that's their page open, and then I just put detail and got it. So all this thing is also a customized, which we only can bring.
Correct.
And that's not only we can bring the turnaround time is the fastest what we can.
Automation is the key here.
Yeah.
That's the secret
मतलब
sauce.
समझ लो फॉर एग्जांपल महिंद्रा का गाड़ी है, कोई महिंद्रा का गाड़ी खरीद रहा है, महिंद्रा इज गिविंग अ कस्टमाइज्ड महिंद्रा कीबोर्ड, मतलब कीबोर्ड विद महिंद्रा कलर्स, लोगो, एवरीथिंग ओवर देयर. समझो महिंद्रा का एक बटन डाल दिया, इफ ही क्लिक्स दैट बटन उनका सर्विस पोर्टल ओपन हो जाता है.
Correct.
So that's what we can provide. So Anand ji, are you listening?
He will definitely visit us. And a lot of other companies as well.
So this is something that we can.
I will just give an example of that one, because एक बैंक का ऐसा इंक्वायरी था, and the bank guys, because accounts guys needs lot of calculation. तो क्या है, मतलब what we have done, we have given one short keys of calculator. अभी कैसे आपको normally you have to go open and see the calculator, then yes, here you press one, calculator will open, and then you start calculate all these things.
So this is possible across the industry on all products that Rappo brings.
Yes, we can do.
That's amazing. Who designed these amazing products?
So basically, let me tell you. So in China, where we are based out of China, so in Shenzhen we have our head office. We have a team of 400 people for design and R&D at our headquarters. So if we provide them the concept and everything, we also do some designing here, but the final touches and the final outcome that you see on the product actually comes from the headquarters itself.
Okay. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए, या ऐसा कौन सा चीज़ है जो कोलैबोरेशन करना तो एक पार्ट है, साइनिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज वन पार्ट, बट थिंग्स ऑन द बैक एंड दैट यू हैड टू पे फुल अटेंशन टू, कि ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसके बिना कोलैबोरेशन नहीं पॉसिबल होगा, और द जर्नी टुवर्ड्स रीचिंग योर.
See, number one, if I would want to say, is the turnaround time. Because India is such, like the market is as such कि सब लोग को चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, so there is to be clarity on the time, in the time frame that we will be able to provide this product. Number one. Number two, what actually the company is looking for. What is the culture? What is their legacy? What branding or what message they want to give out from any kind of what message they want to put through our particular collaboration or through the product.
Correct.
That is also another centric to that. But more or less,
before that, you must ensure yourself that आपकी quality product की अच्छी है.
Correct.
Because Bombay Indian will not take any product without standard.
Absolutely.
So in our case, when we were discussing on this topic, we have shown our product. And then they like the product, they find that product is good enough to go ahead. So first thing is, your product should be a good quality one.
Correct.
Second, you have you have a experience, or you have a proficiency to deliver the product on the particular time.
Correct.
because when you are giving the customized one, and most of the time this collaboration start in the month of September, October, August, September mostly, and then discussion go on, and then it's like 1 or 2 months it always take. So you have very less time, 45-50 days to get ready and deliver the product. So you should be ready with that also.
Back
And the last one, like when you do collaboration and you do lot of activity around this product or around this collaboration, you need to give lot of time for approval with the Mumbai Indian team, because they also take a lot of time, lot of cuts, lot of not dislikes, lot of this is not okay, this is okay. So this also you have to give them time.
That was the experience.
No, wait, next was the Anil. What was that learning curve? That one thing that you'll always remember from this partnership.
So yes, you whatever active marketing material or whatever things you are going to do, you should be ready 2 months before the IPL match starts, so that you will be ready with every approvals and now and then. So once it's like
एक green signal मिला तो
आपसे गाड़ी चाबरी चालू हो गया ऐसा क्या?
Siddesh, what's been your learning experience from this?
Yes, the learning curve has been massive over here because it was the first kind of a deal that we actually did, and बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला कि behind the scenes कैसे होता है, how we are supposed to go on with the execution, not just execution but from planning to getting to GTM basically. So there's a lot of learning curve here.
Absolutely. Customization की जब last time बात हो रही थी, एक दिन था जब तू बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था. You were having a Zoom conversation and you were very happy. So what was that happiness? And you said कि अभी नहीं, हो जाने दे, फिर बाद में बताऊंगा.
अच्छा. So I think Mukesh sir should
Anyone
come in with that.
it's been a FOMO since that day when you said कुछ तो बात चल रही थी और बहुत खुश था तू.
ACC cement wala, I was just having a
so there is again the customization thing, because now we are focusing very much on B2B and gifting segment with the customized product. Now we are asking brands or corporates to give us your logo, give us your Pantone color of your
Correct.
logo, and then we will design for you and we will showcase you.
Correct.
And once you feel that's digitally print and digitally thing is okay, if you need, we can also give you the hard samples also, the physical samples also. So with this way, we were trying 3-4 companies, and suddenly we got some reference of ACC Ambuja Dadani Group.
Wow.
And we got 10,000 piece of keyboard, and not that keyboard of the premium keyboard, not the
normal
metal finish slim one, type C charging, like one device connect with three devices together.
Correct.
So this kind of product we have given, and they like the product. And we delivered this product within 2 months time. Though
10,000 plus pieces,
yeah,
2 months.
as for us, it 15 days we have delayed, but because we take 45 days the maximum to deliver the products, and everybody got the product, and they like the product, and they are very impressed with it.
Lovely. तो ROI तो आ गया है दोस्त ये कैंपेन से.
Yes. So ROI, not only because I just want to add few things, because क्या है, जब हमने डिसाइड किया मुंबई इंडियन के साथ जाने का ना, तो since Mumbai Indian and cricket is and like it's they are associated with cricket, and cricket is not only is a part of India. Now if you see the whole subcontinent, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, they all follow cricket.
Correct.
And not only this 5-6 Indian subcontinent, also if you little go ahead the Middle East, because most of the Middle East, like in Dubai, 70% are Indian, Pakistani and Bangladeshi, and they are cricket loving people. So this collaboration, though this collaboration is only meant for the India, but yes, इसका indirectly कहीं ना कहीं shadow effect तो मिलता ही है, जो हमें पाकिस्तान में benefit मिलता है, हमें बांग्लादेश में मिलता है, हमें श्रीलंका में मिलता है, हमें दुबई में मिलता है, हमें नेपाल में मिलता है, all these things.
And also then when you reach such enterprises, they Adani Group, for example, what the deal we did, then as a company, we don't need validation anymore, right?
Absolutely.
Because this is what is validating us. Because Mumbai Indians as an organization partnering, they only partner with very limited brands. The only brands they see that they can scale, and brands that they have a roadmap of scaling themselves. So that's the validation that we needed, and we got it now.
I'll tweak this a little. This is the display. The order of ACC is the validation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what it is actually. Yes.
So, अब तो अगर इतना बड़ा हो रहा है तो बहुत जल्दी इंडिया के जर्सी पे भी दिखेगा रैपो का नाम सर।
Yes, we are hoping so.
सिद्धेश तो आएगा आइडिया लेके आपके पास ये है कि सर देखो ये तो हो गया है तो अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम इंडियन जर्सी पे सेंटर्स।
No, yes. So as a company, we are also thinking to bring a lot of new products, which goes with the consumer directly, and then yes, hopefully, agar God ne chaha, we will definitely come on the jersey of the IPL.
लवली लवली।
It's not just that, हमारा ऐसा है कि we don't launch a lot of products in India. इंडिया में कैसे बहुत सारे rules and regulations है. There has to be some certifications done for the products to come and everything also. It takes a little time. But in terms of innovation, right? Every quarter we add another 10 to 15 new products in our overall product portfolio as a company that is out there. And you are not even, I want to make it's out there on the internet also. So the current product that you are seeing on the table, which we have made for Mumbai Indians. Similar product we have launched with AI integration in it. And AI is going to be a very big thing going forward.
Big thing.
And we as a company, which is technologically driven, we are out there, pace by pace with that. So soon you might be seeing, Rappo keyboards in India also having AI integrated keys. Yes.
AI के टॉपिक पे अगर अपन बात कर ही रहे हैं, what is the detail that we're users are going to see? What is that AI integration that people can expect in the hardware side of it? Because currently जो AI दिखता है, it's all in the screen, but integrating hardware.
So see, basically at this moment it is endless possibilities. अभी तो enter हुआ है.
Correct.
ठीक है. Now slowly and slowly the product is going to come to an end stage where people will understand कि okay, इसमें ये भी add on हो सकता है. So वो evolution stage में है अभी. So it's very soon to comment on that.
Very soon to reveal the secrets.
Correct. Very soon to reveal. But yes, currently we have an integrated key which we have partnered with DeepSeek.
Oh wow.
Okay, we have partnered with DeepSeek and we have a DeepSeek integrated key on the keyboard. So आप दबाओगे तो DeepSeek open हो जाता है.
That's the same, the hotkey.
Correct. वैसा. But then again, technology is something that is not centered to something, right? It is always evolving. So maybe by the end of the year, you might see कि you probably type a sentence on the keyboard, click a button and AI is optimize that sentence for you.
Correct.
बहुत सारी चीज आज जो गूगल लेंस बोलो या कोई भी मेटा ग्लासेस बोलो, सो बहुत सारी चीज है जहाँ पे द फिजिकल इंटरेक्शन ऑफ टाइपिंग इज probably going to go down. Do you think on the same lines?
True. It's like it's always be there. So if you see that typing itself is a very old thing,
Yes.
but still it's continuing because people feels to
Correct.
use it. Even many of time you have option to speak and somebody will record but still people will feel typing is. But yes, slowly as the user will evolve, similarly the product and the hardware will evolve.
बट AI आने से जब AI एजेंट ही सब काम कर दे रहे हैं तो जो ह्यूमन इनपुट्स है वो काफी कम हो गए, तो उस कैटेगरी में फिर रैपो अपना पोजीशन कहाँ बनाता है?
देखो, human inputs will never come because even if AI is there, human inputs always required because AI is also what AI exactly. Like you have pre-recorded, pre-saved, pre-data, which from there they work something. But still, you need someone, some person, some human being
Absolutely.
to put some input there. Then only he will reply or he will give. So there will always input requirement will be there. The way will be different.
Absolutely.
Somebody will type, somebody will speak, tomorrow somebody will think and something. I'm just joking, but but still
There is a
input-
device. There is a device in China. Every kid is expected to wear that device and it reads your mind as well. So technology is booming. They have, in China, I saw a video that day. You can make payments with the help of your palm.
Ah,
You don't even need your cards.
So it's there in India also. If you see, if you go ATM, you can put your finger and you can withdraw the money, and because that's withdrawal money is connected with your Aadhaar card.
Right.
So that's
Technology is booming.
that will be there.
As Mukesh sir said, technology होता रहेगा change, उसके बाद product भी
Absolutely.
ना evolve होता ही रहेगा.
We'll also
So that is not going to change.
correct.
But when you talk about products, right? हम तो keyboard mouse में हम like हमारा forte is keyboard and mouse.
Hmm.
We also have a video conferencing segment that is there, and an enterprise segment. Well, I think Mukesh sir will elaborate more on that. The video conferencing part.
So as he is saying, so our most of the video conferencing camera is AI enabled only. Like if you put your camera in your conference room, if you see 7-8 guys are speaking, 7-8 guys are sitting there, whoever will speak, camera will recognize and it will move towards him only.
Correct.
And then if somebody else is coming, then he will shift to that particular person only. So it's already we have AI enabled product, which is already we are selling, not in the keyboard mouse because keyboard mouse has a limitation as of now, but yes, in case of video conferencing camera, we are already there.
जो कस्टमाइजेशन की बात चल रही थी अपनी, उस पे एक बात पूछनी रह गई। अगर कोई एंटरप्राइज को ये चीज देना है, क्योंकि देखने के बाद तो मेरे टीम वाले भी बोल रहे थे, सर टेक इन्फिनिटी का भी ऐसा कुछ बनाता है। एमओक्यू क्या रहता है ये चीज के लिए?
हाँ, सो एमओक्यू पे कैसा है कि अगर हम एक और जो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है हमारे लिए कस्टमाइजेशन के लिए, हम कस्टमाइजेशन के लिए एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज नहीं करते हैं अगर आपका वो पर्टिकुलर एमओक्यू फिट होता है। सो इन आवर केस, अगर इफ यू आर गिविंग अस 3000 यूनिट ऑफ एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट जहाँ पे आपको कस्टमाइजेशन चाहिए, वहाँ हम बिना एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट के हम कस्टमाइजेशन कर देते हैं।
करेक्ट।
अगर उससे कम हो तो हम कस्टमाइजेशन का एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज करते हैं।
बट अगर एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज भी हो, व्हाट इज द लीस्ट बेंचमार्क?
1000 units.
1000 units. That's great. Like even mid enterprises can also look at these kind of options of customizing everything in the product range.
True, correct.
There's a next thing to ask. People who are watching this podcast and have already seen, the 1 crore views that have already come, if they want to buy the product, where should they go ahead and buy this from?
So see, let me tell you. So basically, we have 4,000 touch points across India.
Wow.
More than 4,000 touch points where we are available across India. So you'll find the product in general trade also. जैसे कि मुंबई में अगर हो तो आप लैमेंटन रोड जा सकते हो या वाशी प्लाजा जा सकते हो if you are from Bombay. But then otherwise we are available on quick commerce, we are available on Zepto,
Wow.
we are available on Flipkart, and we are also available on Amazon. And soon we'll be also available on the other quick commerce platforms in the next couple of months as well.
If we talk about the price range of these products, what's the general price range that we're talking about?
So when you talk about MI products,
Yeah.
so the MI product range starts from 399.
You kidding me?
Yes. And
399 rupees for such an amazing mouse.
correct, because our overall idea for keeping the price so low कि एक स्कूल में जाने वाला अगर बच्चा भी रहेगा ना, and if he's an MI fan, ठीक है, it should
क्योंकि ऐसे तो बहुत सारे यूजर्स हैं जो अभी पॉडकास्ट देख रहे होंगे। 399 is an unbelievable price.
So even he should be able to save up his pocket money and be able to afford to buy that mouse.
So sir, आपका क्या thought है next? मतलब what is the next big thing?
Yes, so like as I told you, the agenda of this particular collaboration is to build a brand along with Mumbai Indian. So one thing is, yes, right, we will add some more product because as of now we have, I think, 5 or 6 range of product with the Mumbai Indian. From next year onwards, we will have 10 to 12 one first, including some gaming series like gaming mouse and gaming keyboards. Apart from this, also we will with the next year, because this year is on kind of learning stage, because we are also some learning. We also we also trying and doing some thing which is working, which is not working. So by the next year, we will be ready with the full more and aggressive plan in terms of going into the market,
Correct.
making ourselves known to the consumer mind, and using this particular platform to bring more product for the end customers to use it and to feel it.
Absolutely. You know, recently we saw the youngest player of IPL creating wonders. So any particular brand, you know, can become an overnight sensation in today's world of digital media. So I would like to ask you, when people think about Rappo, you know, why Rappo?
So basically, see, I'll come again and tell you the same thing. Why Rappo, you ask, right? Because as I said before, we are price sensitive when it comes to other brands. And the tech that we are offering at that particular price point, there's no other brand in the market that has been providing that. Let me give you a simple example in layman's term, in technology wise. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप समझ लो हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट है विच इज द रैपो MI एडिशन E9050L. Now this product is built quality is made out of anodized aluminum alloy. ठीक है. It comes with 3 years of table replacement warranty.
3 years.
3 years of table replacement warranty. हम प्रोडक्ट रिपेयर नहीं करते, हम रिप्लेस करके देते हैं. We give you a new product. That's why you choose Rappo. ठीक है. Another thing. So the tech that we are offering you now, this particular product connects with 4 devices at one time.
4 devices at
4
one time.
devices at one time. So one you connect via dongle and 3 devices you connect via Bluetooth. So you can use it simultaneously again.
एक यूज केस समझाओ जरा. बहुत सारे लोगों को क्वेश्चन रहेगा, 4 devices connected to one keyboard, how?
So basically Rappo was the first to introduce this Bluetooth technology. ठीक है, ये जो 2.4 GHz band, 5.2 GHz and also first band to launch this Bluetooth वाले keyboards. So इसमें basically होता कैसे है, you connect one device, first you connect one device, then similarly there is a pairing mode in this particular keyboard. उसमें से आप 3 devices को particularly pair कर सकते हो. Once all your 3 devices are paired, in a single switch, you can switch from one device to another. So say if I'm sitting on my desk using my keyboard and I have 3 devices. Say I have my laptop, I have my iPad, I also have a mobile phone. I'm a multitasker. So if I have to reply, if I get a message on my WhatsApp, I can just tap, go on my WhatsApp, okay, type. I want to come
That
back
is
on this
super
device,
easy.
click one button, I'm on my laptop. So that is something that we offer. So that's one thing. Second thing, for the price that we are offering, it's
How much is that keyboard for?
this keyboard the purchase price for this keyboard is 2599.
Bus.
That's it.
And we have also options of cheaper option also, because this particular one is the aluminum one,
Correct.
the world's slimmest keyboard and all these things. If you choose to go with the plastic one, the normal one, we will have a option of 1999 also, right?
Yes. We have a series of world's slimmest keyboards. So if you know कि अभी जैसा हमारे Indian television scenario में IFA is like the mother of all awards. right?
Correct.
And if you go worldwide, you know, Oscars is like the mother of all awards. Similarly, in the tech space,
Red Dot.
Red Dot Awards, yeah. And we don't shy away from that. You know, every year we are like 2020, 2023, 2021. We have a history of winning the Red Dot Design Awards for most of our products.
That's insane. Red Dot Award is, you know, considered, for all the audience watching here, Red Dot Award is given for the best design. Just like the way you said, it's an Oscar for the designers. It's super amazing to know. So now I know clearly why Rappo.
And one more thing. Why Rappo? Because all our products, right? Now when you talk about tech, जब भी हम कीबोर्ड और माउस से पर्टिकुलर नीश सेगमेंट को हम लेके चलते हैं, हमारे यूजर्स के दिमाग में हमेशा रहता है, अरे will it work on my device? Because if I'm using a Windows laptop and he's using a Mac laptop, you know, we both would have that question, अरे would this work on a Windows?
Correct.
Would this work on a Mac? That is where we come in, right? Rappo के जितने भी products हैं are all compatible with Windows and Mac. And some of our keyboards have a dedicated Windows and Mac function. So basically it's a multi-device keyboard, for example. Let me take an example for this. So if I'm using a Windows, suppose मैं एक laptop पे Windows laptop use कर रहा हूँ and I shift to my other device is Mac.
Correct.
I go on to Mac. But you know, like the function keys are different.
Correct.
So I just have to press a simple button that, okay, I'm on Mac. I just have to...
And all the function keys will work according to Mac.
Yes.
Exactly.
So that's the tech again, you know, coming back to the same point, tech. That's the technology that we are offering. Rappo defines technology, quality and the price that we are offering.
If Rappo had to diversify, what are the other products that you feel ये भी बनना चाहिए? Just like the way you know bought cricket is the equations.
See again, let me tell you one thing. बहुत सारे products बनना चाहिए. हम तो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी बना रहे हैं.
इंडियन मार्केट में नहीं.
अब इंडियन मार्केट को कंसिडर करके क्या प्रोडक्ट्स ला रहे हैं वो भी आपको लेट मी टेल यू. हमारे जो फैक्ट्री में जो रोबोटिक आर्म्स है हम वो भी बनाते हैं. हमने वो भी बनाया है. So Rappo
फैक्ट्री में वो भी Rappo ने बनाया.
So
Yes.
there is a
In our own
there is a company called RRS. So Rapu Robot System. Okay. So what we do in Rapu Robot System, we give consultancy to other company who wants to set up a robotic infrastructure for the factory.
Correct. I saw the images of Rappo China. I was stunned. There was a couple of images on Google that I got to see.
Yes. So in our case, matlab, in the case of the product what we are dealing into, there is no company which is having so much this kind of automated factory.
So automation is at the core. Automation technology integrated with pricing, and affordability is the core.
Pricing, how pricing is is available for us because we are having own manufacturing.
Correct.
And 90% thing is in house, like few only things we bought from outside. So that's help us to give us the like we can give the better pricing to the customer.
From a marketing point of view, what all activities does Rappo do to leverage the entire market, like increase the market share?
So see, in terms of general marketing, when I talk general trade centric, we have a lot of partner incentive programs that we run for our partner royalty programs that we run. We have monthly meetup with partners. We have a product training session with them. Also, now we have started, putting branding, started marketing. We started pushing marketing material also out there in the channel. So there are a lot of activities that we do on that side. Also, when it comes to general trade, I think Mukesh sir can give a much more broader perspectives
So it's
in terms of
in case of general trade, like as Siddesh told you earlier that we have 4,000 touch basis point, like 4,000 retail stores across the India. And we as a company, we always believe that they are the brand ambassador for us because they are the guys going to make or break the decision of the customer. So we also like treat them as a Rapu family to each one of us. So we always we always try to pamper them with all the benefits whatever we can give. We always believe that we should give extra profitability to the customer because all these guys their first motto is to get more profit. So we always try to give better profitability with peace of mind of this particular like this after sales support thing. Apart from this, we also give quarterly or half yearly some incentives things. So with the with the family tour, with the tour to the outside India, and you do not believe whoever is going to attach who is doing with us and whoever is qualified for this kind of incentive too, they will always wait for us कि आप कब लेके जाएंगे हमें. कितनी बार होता है कि अगर सेम डेस्टिनेशन के 2-3 कंपनी कर रही हो वो बाकी दोनों कंपनी का छोड़ देते हैं हमारे साथ जाने को रेडी रहते हैं. Most of the partner across the India is associated with us from last 6-7 years, 8 years, some 9 years. So we always go hand in hand and we always look for the longer journey period.
Rappo globally कहाँ पे present है?
So we are present across 72 plus country directly. Directly means जहाँ हमारे direct distributor है. Other than that, there are other than more 40-50 more country जहाँ पे via billing होती है मतलब.
अच्छा.
But plus 72 plus country we have a direct distributor which is directly dealing with our factory.
So it's not wrong to say that Rappo is in 100 plus countries, मतलब adding up.
Yes, if you see the product availability, we are there for 100 plus country.
कौन सा एक ऐसा इंसिडेंस है जो लास्ट 12-13 सालों में कि यार ये चीज मतलब आपकी जीत, रैपो की जीत तो है ही, आपकी जीत के ये सिचुएशन मेरे पास था जो सबसे टफ था और मैंने कर दिया है
like when start itself, it's very tough for all.
जीरो टू
for all-
वाला
yes,
जर्नी ही सबसे डिफिकल्ट
it's
होता है
like because me always believe in a creation rather than execution, because if जब established brand होता है तो वहाँ आप ज़्यादातर एग्जीक्यूशन में लगे रहते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपको कुछ करने के लिए होता है नहीं, दे ऑलरेडी थिंग्स इज
Correct.
प्लेस, ब्रांड सब जानते हैं. दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज ऑलवेज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएशन रिक्वायरमेंट. So that's why I choose to join this company. And then from the start, it will be very tough, because that time nobody was, because we have a little higher range of product. When we have started, हमने सारे प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट लेके आ गए थे जो यूरोप में सक्सेस थे, अदर यूएस में सक्सेस थे, अदर कंट्री में सक्सेस था. हमें लगा कि शायद वो भी इंडिया में, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव हिस्ट्री ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट. And I was also not in this field, because I was earlier I was with some display company. तो हमने वो लेके आया, तो दैट टाइम लोगों ने पसंद, क्योंकि नया ब्रांड, नया सब कुछ, और सब प्रीमियम हाईली प्राइस प्रोडक्ट, तो एवरीबॉडी वाज नॉट रेडी टू बाई.
करेक्ट
तो दैट टाइम दैट फाइट वाज दैट पर्टिकुलर फेज वाज वेरी टफ, बिकॉज हमारे पास स्टॉक है, सब कुछ है, पर बिक नहीं रहा है, और वी थॉट कि तो सारे बिकने ही चाहिए थे, सारे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट है. देन we have done some improvisation of ourselves. हमने कुछ एक एंट्री लेवल प्रोडक्ट भी लाया, फिर धीरे हम सीखे भी, लर्निंग कर्व भी आया. सो विद इन 2-3 years it took us to settle ourselves, and within 4 year हमने अपने आप को ब्रेक इवन किया, बिकॉज इन स्टार्ट यू नीड लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, और फिर 3-4 years हमने अपने आप को ब्रेक इवन किया, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग. And that's by God grace we are growing every year.
touch wood
Thank you.
that has to continue, that has to take a bigger and a better shape. Coming to Boss Baby, 3 years, tell me your experience, the rock and roll journey that you've gone through.
You know, without if there's no rock and roll, then what's the fun, right?
Absolutely.
So yes, so since the time I joined the company, I believe that only because I was capable, I was given few responsibilities that kept on adding to my plate. Yes, so I think I have done a fair and square job in whatever responsibility that I overlooked during my time here in the last 3 years. Also, when it comes to e-commerce space, when I started the business, year on year 40% growth is what we have achieved in the last 2 years. This is my third year walking in the third year in the e-commerce space. So, having positive outlook on that and looking forward to, achieve similar kind of numbers this year also.
Indian market, or maybe at a larger perspective, the global market trend also. Rappo, in your segment which you're leading, what is the market share that Rappo holds?
So yes, as of now we are almost 10-11%, because it's very difficult to calculate the percentage of this one, because there is no fixed data available, because in case of mobile, in case of TV, all these things you have a data to analyze. In our case it's very difficult, but yes, we are in the tune of 10-11%. But yes, we are number 2 brand in terms of in premium and quality product. So because in India also there is a lot of there is a 3-4 range of product. One is very cheap stuff. You
Yep.
go and in less than 100 rupees you will get a lot of things. So that's the one range. Second is the mid range, and third one is the premium range. So we are into premium range. So at the premium range we are number 2 across the India.
जब मुंबई इंडियंस से कंफर्मेशन आया, तब टीम में how was the जोश?
No, see, the thing is when I first had a verbal conversation with them, in the next couple of days we actually did a formal meeting where I had taken few of my products to what is Rappo? We never heard of this brand.
Correct.
Let's get on the table, let's watch. And there were like 4-5 brands at that moment having the same conversation that we were
Okay. In the same space.
in the same space for the same particular space. So they wanted a product confirmation also from our end, where they wanted to see our products. So then after that the fight actually started. Ki bhai, our competitors are out there.
Correct.
And they would only partner with us if they think that we are better than our competitors, right, in terms of the quality. So yes, then we made a few of our sample products and everything. We made the design ready. And when all of that was ready, then things started to fall in place. Then there was no hinges from their end as well. They were also pretty confident that yes, we have chosen the right brand and this is the right brand to, go ahead with.
I feel everyone works for three things, learn, earn, grow.
Correct.
So when you see that thing happening, that's when you feel, okay, this is the brand that I am working with. So what was the excitement at your side?
No, that's
So one more thing, I want to add: learn, earn, grow, and rep to get some pride also.
Correct.
Yeah. So whenever you attach, like for the team, they're also it's a kind of flaunting things as they
Absolutely.
just see this we have tied up with this one. So this also helps us to for within the team, for us to just everybody was so much motivated and so much happy to have this kind of association, and then go and tell to the customer, and then get the order and the sales to go through. When I joined Rapu, and then I personally feel sometimes pride that I have grown this brand for certain level in India.
Exactly.
Similarly, you can also tell to someone, look, this company, nobody was knowing this company day before. Now see, everybody because of us only. So that's the pride. You can also associate with that also.
That's all credits to both of you for trusting us, through thick and thin, and we making sure that we march shoulder to shoulder with you to make this happen. First 3D video that we were creating for you, जब visual reference आया, we were in the conference room और टीवी पे वो वीडियो लगाया और वो लाइट्स ऑफ करके जब पहली बार म्यूजिक बजा था, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर एवरी सिंगल पर्सन इन द रूम ओपनिंग द स्नैपचैट, looking at the content and shooting it. सर एक और बार प्ले करो ना, सर एक और बार प्ले करो, एंड वी लाइक कोई आगे नहीं भेज रहा है, पहले ये अप्रूवल के लिए जाएगा, फिर ही यूज होगा. बट trust me, that was the best moment that we remember from this collaboration. So what is your best moment of this collaboration? Might not be just with the work that we've done, over and above everything with Mumbai Indians.
सो जस्ट मैं बताऊँ आपको कि उस वीडियो की बात करूँ, जिस वीडियो की आप बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द हमारे टीम मेंबर ने उसको आइदर स्टेटस पे डाला होगा या तो ऐसा करके रखा हो. मैंने भी रखा हुआ था. तो हमारी ईरान का डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर,
हाँ.
जो जिसको कोई मतलब नहीं है क्रिकेट से, बिकॉज दे आर फुटबॉल लविंग कंट्री, और जिसको हिंदी भी थोड़ी, उसमें तो म्यूजिक है ना हिंदी में, आला रे आला और दुनिया हिला देंगे, समथिंग लाइक दिस. दे आस्क मी कि वो वीडियो मुझे भी भेजना जरा, वी आल्सो वांट टू सर्कुलेट इन आवर ग्रुप.
Siddesh, what's been your most important moment of the campaign?
Of the campaign, the campaign actually just started right now. But when you talk about moment of pride is, having that sense in your back of your mind, ki, you are one of the persons because of which this is happening. So, that is the moment of pride, and that is the moment of motivation also, to go ahead and do something more. So, that's that.
What would you like to tell every single person watching this? Because now they've decoded a lot of things about what a collaboration with an IPL team is, but something, a wisdom statement from you for the youth.
Yes. The message for youth is simple. Like, you want to know how to get success in life. So for success, two things is very important. First thing is integrity, and second thing is discipline. Whatever talent you have, but if you do not have a discipline or integrity in life, it will not succeed, because the base of every success is integrity. What is integrity means? Integrity is whatever you say, whatever you commit to someone, you deliver that one. If any case, if you fail to deliver, you just inform that particular person, the concerned person, that yes, boss, this thing is not able to, I cannot deliver this, but yes, I can commit it, but next 2 days, next 3 days, we can deliver.
Right.
Second one is discipline. If you see, the only I always give this example to my team member. Only difference between Vinod Kambli and Sachin Tendulkar, both are loaded with talent, but one is having discipline, another is not having discipline. You see the result, you can easily. So another after integrity, discipline is the must to get the success.
I've also, I always tell my team, there's one line that they resonate me with. Winning in your mind is very important, is, something that I really believe in. So I feel for today's youth, like the way you just gave a message, I would like to say half the people, it's too early for them to give up. Challenges are a part of life, challenges तो आते रहेंगे. But वो challenges को लेके आगे बढ़ना, उसमें तो success है. So, for everyone watching this, all of us sitting here, we've been through that particular journey that we've had ups and downs, challenges, everything. Not every day is the same, but then we feel, this will also pass. This too shall pass, is what people say. So, for all of us, Siddesh, what has been your mantra of success in life?
I've never thought about it actually. What's been my mantra?
What keeps you
It's just that feeling that when you get up and you have to do what you have to do, and you have to do it maybe because you're doing because of certain circumstances or certain goals. It's just that you need to find the right motivation to try to keep yourself on track. I think
That's my question.
everything out there is motivation driven, right? If you can find a motivation out of anything.
While we had come to pitch you, there were other agencies also coming. So, what was that best part about the conversation that we had or the ideas that we shared? Why us, if we had to ask you this?
Yes. So for that, I just normally say whenever I assign any agency or whenever I take any person for our company as a employee, I never go with their how past or with their infrastructure, with their knowledge, with their education, with their experience. I always I always see the attitude, how he is enthusiastic about this particular thing, how much he is ready to do and close things, how much he is ready to accept this and grow with us. So all these things I can easily see, like we can see these things during our conversation and during our meeting, and then we thought let's go with you guys only.
Siddesh, your POV for the same?
My POV would be basically, we have had that working experience with each other on some of the projects that we worked for Rappo before. So that ease of execution and, ease on dealing with things. Also, we are like-minded people when it comes to, ideation, creation, and the sense of execution that we are looking at, we are very practical with it. So I think that mentality is shared amongst like-minded people, right? So again, keeping everything intact, a superb team. I would like to commend one of your members. Her name is Henika. Like she has been a pillar for me actually. To get all these executions done. Coordination with the MI team and all also. So that has also been an added factor to have you guys on board.
See, we are very delighted to have this, wonderful partnership where Tech Infinity can be an integral part of the collaboration between Mumbai Indians and Rappo. And, we want to take this ahead to thick and thin. We want to be your extended arm, always there, a call away to make sure that we turn around tables with the thoughts that we have. We have tested these products and we are very delighted to say the quality is really amazing. And kudos to both of you for making this a wonderful, wonderful collaboration. Thank you so much for, giving us your precious time, coming out today to have a open discussion about the entire association where Rappo and Mumbai Indians have collaborated. And we are super delighted for all our users to get these products in hand. Any last words that you would want to conclude the podcast with?
I would just like to say every user or every MI fan out there is you must definitely go and try out Rappo products. And when you try out Rappo products, I'm sure that you're going to recommend it to your friends as well. So, to have that experience, like I said again, you should definitely try it out.
Absolutely. Sir, your
So again, thanks to you and Tech Infinity whole team who arranged all these things and for this discussion. And also, I would like to say each one of our customer that yes, we believe in quality delivering. So believe on us. believe on our product and use it. I am sure you will definitely like it and you will buy it again from other product from us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on this wonderful episode where we decode everything behind the curtains, where a collaboration between Mumbai Indians and Rappo. And special thanks to Siddesh and Mukesh ji for having us on here to take you through the entire details of the collaboration. Thank you once again. It was pleasure having you, sir.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you.
Lovely, amazing days in the future.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.